What's going on, guys? Today we are working on a MSI laptop repair, MS-17G1 model. It's going to be a simple repair today. We are going to be doing a screen replacement on this guy. Let's go ahead and take a look at the screen just so you guys can know exactly what we're working with. So it seems like the guy closed it on something and it just broke the screen. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's go ahead and just turn off the computer. We're just going to go ahead and start off by removing this bezel around the edges. And I like to just go ahead and find a place and just start peeling off. I can already tell there's a crack on the bezel on the top right hand corner. And then the hardest part is usually just cutting off this adhesive. Okay, bezel is off. And let's take a look at the screen. Do we have any pull tabs? No pull tabs. Okay, so we'll do it the method of using a heat gun. Heating the back. Well. Okay, so I have a blue pick right here. This adds some tension on the screen. Allows me to put a finger there, and then we're just gonna heat the back up until the adhesive falls right off. Yeah, there it is, it's peeling. Okay, we got one side removed. Let's do the second side. Better leverage. Maybe we can actually maintain adhesive here. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Now that the screen is removed, we'll just put back this adhesive in place. Unplug the screen. Let's just unplug this cable. Screen has been removed right here. And let's add a second screen in place. Whoever added this adhesive, well, this screen has been repaired before. The screen doesn't, oh my god, the person that added this adhesive last didn't peel it off. Okay, now before we install the screen, let's go ahead and make sure. Okay, let's just test to make sure it is fully working before we actually seal it. Okay, seems to be working, the screen. So we'll finalize this repair in a few moments. Okay. Let's remove this. That part is done. And lastly, we'll put back the bezel in place. Okay, we are pretty much done here. Easy repair, not too hard. All right. Okay, very good. Let's test it one more time and make sure it's okay before we mark this as repaired. Okay, another job done right here at InstaFix. And we are pretty much done with this repair. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short one. Subscribe, like our channel, follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.